I know you don't like long videos. You'll find the role and description of the system under study at the bottom of this video in the description box. Let's move directly to the system analysis.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
The power generated by the turbine at a wind speed of 10 meters per second is 465 watts, while the motor used to mimic the turbine's behavior delivers 100 watts of power. To stay within the power of the motor used, we applied a ratio of 1 to 10 like this.
You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but
The mechanical shaft modeling allows to easily take into account the influence of the turbine inertia and is not like other researchers who neglect this part and use a drive with the torque. In order to understand the idea, well, follow me.
you keep me on red, oh. Everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play
You can see that the researchers neglected the mechanical shaft part, and the output of the model is the turbine torque, and this is not true and does not allow to take into account the influence of the turbine inertia.
dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me?
The motor current tends towards a very low value because there are no electrical loads connected, and the current response perfectly follows its reference, which shows that the current controller is functioning properly. The same thing for the rotation speed signal follows its reference perfectly. This characteristic is very close to that of a real wind turbine, characterized by a power coefficient of less than 0.4. A very important note, the influence of the turbine's inertia is clearly evident. The power coefficient reaches its maximum value after a significant response time of around 20 seconds. Another thing is that given the absence of an electrical load and even the absence of MPPT algorithms, the turbine is unable to extract maximum power from the wind. Even the relative speed, due to the absence of MPPT algorithms, does not tend toward its optimal value, which allows the turbine to operate at its maximum power point. In this video, we managed to reproduce the same behavior as a real Darius-type wind turbine. All that's left is to connect a generator and see how the turbine behaves when faced with a variable electrical load. This is the objective of the next video.